Welcome, and thank you all for joining us this week for another vlog, day in the life, day in the week, moments in between work, and what we do outside of our job. This week's video will be narrated because we've been getting quite a few comments as to why we are putting out these videos each week, and I feel like that topic needs to be addressed. This business began from experience, from needing the resources it offers, from trial and error, and from figuring it out along the way. We want you guys to understand that it's not always about swimming upstream, that there is a light at the end of the tunnel and it does get better. There is more to life than work, but at the same time, our life is the work, because without the work, our lives, living like this, being this way, making it this far, would not be possible. Finding financial freedom, finding hope in the mess, being able to have moments like this one wouldn't have been possible. We also really wanted all of you to get to know us more, what we do outside of what you see in our videos, because without it being us, what we went through, all of the trials and tribulations that we had to overcome, the obstacles we had to encounter, the holes we had to claw our way out of, our work would not be the same. And although our work can be duplicated, it cannot be the same because it does not come from us. It does not come from our experiences and our life. And we want you guys to see a little bit about us. And through this experience of sharing and getting to know us more, we would love to get to know you guys further. Because this work isn't just work. It's about cultivating a life for yourself, for your happiness, for your sanity, because all of us deserve happiness. We deserve financial freedom. We deserve roofs over our head. And we deserve to get out of these critical circumstances, which is why we started Liberty Aid Academy. And like I said earlier, life is not just about work, but this life wouldn't have been possible without the work. So thank you guys all for watching every Monday as we dive in, getting to know one another a little bit better as we all ride this journey to freedom together, learning along the way. Thank you guys for watching.